Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're talking about an exciting setup I'm taking on Floki. We're calling a bearish move here. The price is approaching a key resistance zone on the daily and weekly charts, and simultaneously, we are seeing a clear bearish divergence. A bearish divergence occurs when the price makes a higher high, but a momentum indicator, like the RSI, fails to confirm that new high, signaling that buying momentum is fading, and that's a strong sell signal. Now, for those who don't know, Floki is a popular meme coin that has evolved into a full-fledged Web3 project, but technicals always dictate the short-term moves. The current strength of the move is likely running on borrowed time. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. To join our new VIP group, just click the bot link in the description. Peace out.